Each individual click is going to pay about $2, which means that with just a few hundred clicks, you can also generate such payments yourselves. Hey guys, it's Mr. Money here, and this video is all about CPA marketing for beginners. I'm going to explain the business model behind it, how it works, and how you can get profitable with it. It is very similar to affiliate marketing in a way, but I personally think it is much better because you don't actually need to sell anything. And so, drop us a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Guys, hear me out. We are going to do every single thing one step at a time, and by doing that, there is not going to be any more research that you need to do. No more backtesting. You don't need to figure out any answers. And the best part about this whole process is that I'm also going to provide you with a done-for-you template that you can start using right now. I have specifically designed it so that it converts well and you won't have to do any additional work, so stay tuned for that as well. And guys, here's why CPA Grip is going to come in really handy. There are a lot of apps out there and pieces of software that are going to pay you for helping them expand their reach. For instance, let's say that I develop a mobile app and I want more people to become aware of it. Well, I'm willing to pay you $1 just for referring a friend. And you can do that over and over again, and you can generate passive income. But the question is, how are we going to find those offers? If you just head over to random apps and check whether or not they have such a referral program, that's going to take a lot of your time. And your time is more valuable than that. And so CPA Grip is going to have everything in one place. It's going to have hundreds or even thousands of different offers that will pay you for signups, for app installs, all that sort of stuff. And so all you gotta do is follow my instructions and implement this method correctly. That being said, let's take a look at it. The first thing you need to do is click on the register button, and that's going to take you to a sign up form. Just enter in your credentials. I'm not going to bore you with that. It's done for absolutely free and you can register in a second. And eventually, when that is out of the way, here is where the magic happens. If you guys head over to your dashboard, you will be able to take a look at the recently added offers on the website and also, most significantly, the top performing offers. Take a look at this one, for instance. Enter your mobile number now to get started. If you get people to enter in their mobile number in here, you're going to get paid $10 for each individual user. But here's the downside to this particular offer. It's only going to focus on people from New Zealand, and that is going to be rather difficult to target. From my experience, the best thing you can do in order to make sure that you're not wasting your time is focus on US residents or US citizens. And here's another interesting one. This offer is going to pay you $6.6 per user if they submit their email address. As you can see, most of them are going to target specific countries. For instance, this one is only going to pay you for United Kingdom citizens. But here's the thing, it's not always going to be as easy as that. This one has an additional requirement. It's going to pay you $6 for Canadians that you manage to refer to their app, but the downside is that they need to play that game for quite a while and reach level 8 for you to receive your earnings. But guys, here's a far better way of finding the offers. Instead of searching for them there in the top performing ones list, you can just head over to my offers section, select the country, and as mentioned, that's going to be the US, then the category, but this is just optional, and there you have it. Additionally, you can sort them by their conversion rate. Basically, a 10% conversion rate means that out of 100 people who access the website, only 10 of them actually submitted their information. It's not too bad, but it's not a great conversion rate either. From my experience, if you're just starting out, you want to focus on email submits. In other words, people just have to submit their email address, and if they do that, you are getting paid, you're receiving your earnings. Otherwise, you can go for downloads, mobile install, or even pin submit. Remember, you are in full control. If you want to get paid whenever people install a mobile app on their device, you can choose that. However, in order to illustrate the method successfully, I'm going to pick email/zip submit and then take a look at the results. I'm also going to rank them by their CR or conversion rate. And here's a great one. Get $1,000 sent to your Cash App. And all people have to do is submit their email address. So this is going to be highly marketable. For the most part, we're going to focus on offers that give people something for free. And that can be a gift card, an Amazon gift card, an eBay one, But here's the thing, what if that person doesn't actually have an eBay account or doesn't want to create one, but they still want to redeem a gift card? They are highly interested in that, but they just don't want to sign up on eBay. Well, we are losing them. We are missing out. And so the best thing you can do in order to make sure that you are converting well is provide people with multiple options. If they don't want to get the Amazon gift card, they can get the eBay one, and the other way around. And so to keep things on that note, I want you to select your top 3 favorite offers. You can just copy the title in here and paste it in a notepad and then grab your link. Just repeat that process 3 times and you're good to go. You can move over to the next step. And so, just as promised, we are providing people with different options: Cash App, PayPal, and MasterCard gift cards. If they don't have a PayPal account, they can go for MasterCard or Cash App, and so on and so forth. You get a point. Now, in order to keep things organized and have everything in one place, I want you to head over to Linktree. And so after successfully creating a new account, here's what you can do. You're going to head over to your dashboard and add the new link. So let's click on that and see what happens. At this point, you're required to enter in a title, and that's going to be the title of the offer, just like that. I'm going to copy and paste it in, and then also grab the URL. Make sure it is the corresponding URL so that people can get what they're expecting. And eventually, after you repeat that process 3 times, this is what your page is going to look like. As you can see, it's got multiple offers on it. And we can actually start sharing that link with other people. We can also preview it if we click on that. So let's see what it actually looks like. There you have it. It's going to have your name and then the different offers that you have added. An additional thing that you can do is change your name so that it corresponds with the activity you are currently taking part in. And so you want it to be something related to giveaways. And here's the thing, most people are going to submit their email address or even their phone number in exchange for a chance to get that gift card, because they've got nothing to lose. Most of the times their inbox is already filled with spam, and so it's not too big of a loss for them. But at this point, we just need to step up. We need to make sure that we are driving a lot of people. If we are only driving 10 of our friends to those links, it's not going to amount to anything significant. And so we need a traffic source that is entirely free and it's highly effective. And luckily, I've got a solution. And that is going to be over at reddit.com. If you guys head over to the search bar and type in giveaways, you're going to see that people are posting on this topic on a daily basis, and they're getting tens of thousands of upvotes. And so up next, what you need to do is create a new post of your own. First of all, you're going to choose a community, and that is going to be giveaway or giveaway. So let's select that. And then you've got full control. You can add an image, you can add a title, and most of the times, here's what you can do. You just need to get people intrigued. Here's what you can do for a title. Did you guys ever win these giveaways? Are they legit? And here's your body. They say you only have to enter your email for a chance to win. Is that genuine? And this is where you're going to paste your Linktree link. When people click on that out of curiosity, they will be taken to your page. If they click on either of those 3 links and they sign up using their email address, you are making passive income. And remember, there are going to be thousands of different such offers. You can even add multiple, much more than 3, on your website. That's it for now. Take massive action, and I'll see you in the next one.